And today we're going to be talking about the new Nike ACG Spring Collection for 2021. Yeah, let's get it! So once again guys, this is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today we're going to be talking about the Nike ACG Spring Collection for 2021. So this video is for all my Nike ACG heads out there. Shout out to you guys, because I'm actually really excited for this one. It's been a minute since the last collection that was dropped back in 2020. So let's just get into this one, shall we? So in terms of the release date, I think for us in Australia, it will be February 11 around 7 p.m. This is for the actual Nike website. There are other places that will be selling Nike ACG stuff for the spring collection of 2021 in boutique stores, but those could be at different times. So just probably stay tuned to some of those announcements. But let's get into this one. I'm actually going onto the Hypebeast article that has the latest kind of images in terms of the releases coming out for the spring collection 2021, because on the website some of it is there, some of it isn't. So I think it's just easier to go through this website so that I can like kind of click through and show you guys what I think about these these pieces that are coming into this collection, if they're worth it, if I'm gonna cop, or all that kind of stuff. So let's just get straight into it, shall we? Alright guys, so let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna see here is obviously the Nike Misery Ridge jacket, and it's in the blue, yellow, and the black colorway. Now to me, it's a really cool combination and all that kind of stuff, but it feels like it's really hard to work with into your actual wardrobe, because like the way that I like to wear stuff is if it kind of color coordinates and all that kind of stuff. But I feel like this one's really hard to, because there's really like 3 dominant colors in this one. But I just want to say in that sense that this guy, he's wearing that jacket, the Nike Misery Ridge jacket, light blue teal pants, like the brown, I think it looks like a wolf fleece hoodie from the previous collection. He's wearing all that stuff that doesn't really match, but it still looks dope to me, man. I don't know, that's what I like about Nike ACG. I mean, like other people, probably if you wear this in like an urban setting or like in the city or something, people will be like, man, you're like what kind of outfit are you wearing? It's not matching and all this kind of stuff, especially with the colors. But who gives a crap, bro? It's Nike ACG, man. You wear it for its functionality, not so much like, you know, how it kind of matches all together. To me, I think it still looks dope. And especially this jacket, I know it fetches for around like between 350 to 450 Australian dollars, like not on sale. So it's pretty, like, you know, you got to drop the bag on this jacket. But I really like it still because it's gore-tex material and it's innovation. So probably that alone will probably be a huge chunk of what you're paying for in that, like, that really big price tag. Still looks great. And I just want to talk about the thing on his feet, which is obviously the Mountain Fly lows. This is these are the Haven collaborations. I'm really sorry to all the guys that caught me out in the last video saying that, because I said that it was the Hand and Shop collaboration when it's not. I don't know why I said that, and I think I might have got caught up with all the information that I was trying to give to you guys. So apologies for that, but thank you for calling me out. And I just want to give a huge shout out to Kevin as well for sending me some of the pictures of his actual cop for the Haven collaboration. They look great. They look fantastic. I can't wait to actually review them, because I know that they're coming in 2 other colorways, which is the Fossil colorway and also the Anthracite colorway, which is the all black. And what I noticed in some of his photos that he gave me is that the detailing of the 3M, it's like more vibrant. I think because they took off the gore-tex membrane on the actual Mountain Fly low, and then they added more 3M detailing. It looks great, and especially with the flash and stuff. So shout out to you, Kevin, for showing me that. And yeah, I definitely think this is a really cool outfit, and especially for the actual the Mountain Fly low. So let's move on to the next one, shall we? So here's another one. So I do believe that everything that has sort of like a light teal colorway, that is from the new collection. Like this jacket that you can see there, it's sort of like a lightweight jacket, and yeah, it looks great, especially with the khaki pants. The Bumblebee, you know, how do I say this? The Bumblebee colorway of the Nike Air Nasu. they're cool. I mean, I could wear it with this hoodie here, but I think I might be overdoing it. I think it's too much when it's too matchy for me. But I think they're a great shoe, but I don't believe I will cop them for this release because I would rather get the Mountain Fly lows. I think they are more, I think they're a bit, like if I'm going to spend my money on a shoe, I would rather go for those than for these ones. And that's like from the last release as well with the Mountain Fly highs. Some Nike Air Nasus came out too, which look great, but I'd rather spend my money on the Mountain Flies instead of the Air Nasu. And as you can see there, it's another teal colorway of the light teal colorway. This time with a sort of like a crew shirt, sweatshirt, and the pants. I think it looks great. It looks fantastic, but I think you can only really wear it with this kind of ensemble, you know. And I really like the brown bum bag, but man, I don't know, like, do people still wear bum bags when they go hiking and stuff? I mean, for casually, maybe you're just going for a short walk. Maybe you could put like some dog treats in there, walking your dog and all that kind of stuff. But I don't know, for me, I probably wouldn't do that myself. I would just rather wear a bag, wear a Nike ACG bag. And that's probably another thing that I'm going to cop for this coming collection. Because I can't actually buy it yet because it says coming soon, so I can't get it. But I know my man James, it's the Daily James. I know he's got one. It looks really good. So when I saw it, when he on his Instagram kind of stories and stuff, I wanted to get one too. So next release, I'm gonna cop one. And I need a new everyday kind of bag that I can wear. And I know with the Nike ACG one, it's got those loops, so you can add those like kind of accessories that you have, like the face mask, all your hats and all that kind of stuff. You can kind of clip it to that so that it's there for like easy access. So I think that's great, especially the boonie hat or the bucket hat, whatever it's called. I really wish that Nike ACG do another drop for that one because I need to get another pair. My wifey paid resale for that. I think she paid like 270 Australian dollars for it on eBay because that was the only place we could have bought it. And I kind of want a bigger size, so size medium. So it's a little bit more like airflow goes through like my head and kind of stuff. So, and it has more of a like coverage in terms of protecting from the sun and the rain. Anyway, so the next one, you can see that there, it looks, visually, it looks fantastic. The Nike Air Nasus in the black and the light teal looks great, especially with these images. But I'm gonna have to pass on those ones. This is a really cool outfit. I really like this one. Probably the most prominent one that I would probably get is the headband thing. The headband thing that covers your ears. I think that's really cool. Kind of protects your eyes from the sweat that's coming down your face, and also your hair. If you got long hair, as you can see from the lady, from this lady, as you can see there, it kind of like it moves your hair away from your face or your eyes, so you're not so much obstructed by it. But I think it looks great. It's got Nike ACG too. It looks good. And it keeps your ears warm and keeps like sweat away from your face. Anyways, I think it's a really cool outfit, all black. Hard to go wrong with that. But I wanted to talk about what the lady's wearing. So you can see that she's wearing sort of like this Wizard Island theme of stuff. You can see around her neck, she's wearing a necklace with a big stone on it. I think I don't know if they're actually releasing that because I've actually seen like two people or two images with that. So maybe they will be releasing that. Maybe they won't, but I think it's interesting either way. Basically, also you can see that she's wearing the Wizard Island theme on her. This has probably got the basic logo on it, and you can see also this guy is wearing a Wizard Island themed t-shirt as well. This is a great looking outfit. A little bit too plain for my taste. I can't wear all I don't really want to wear all khaki colored clothing all at once, but I do really think this is a great outfit. If you're just like by the campfire, just chilling, staying cozy and all that kind of stuff, great outfit. Definitely a good look. In the next one, this is one I really want to talk to, is this like blue everything outfit. As you can see there, it looks really cool. Just black, blue all the way. And especially in this image, you can see it. Like, to me, I don't know if this sounds bad or not, but he looks like a tech wear farmer because it looks like he's been in the sun too long. That's why his clothes have been it's got that washed look and dried look kind of thing, and I'm really feeling it. I like it. if I was gonna get something, I would get the vest, just because it's got that kind of vibe. I think it's got maybe wearing these with like blue jeans or something, washed jeans. I think it would be a great look. And but it's just, I don't know about the pocket in the back of the actual vest. I'm pretty not flexible, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to reach that. But maybe you could put it to the front and use it as like a joey pouch or whatever, but then you can't use the stuff on the back, so I don't know. But I just really like the vest. I think it's interesting. I just think it's a whole vibe, the way that they put all these pieces together. And yeah, I think it looks great. Next piece. This is, oh, I don't know. I know it's like it's a lady wearing it, but it looks so dope. The glasses, the hoodie, the bag, it's such a vibe. I enjoy this. I just enjoy looking at it because she looks so cozy. It's like, this is like the perfect everyday wear outfit. I probably already told you guys that I would love to get a pair of those sunglasses, Nike ACG sunglasses or whatever, the Nike sunglasses. But yeah, I don't really have a bridge on my nose to actually wear it. If they had those little clip things that go around your nose to hold these sunglasses up, I probably would get it, but I still have to look around. Anyway, it's a vibe of an outfit, especially if you're like going to work or going to school even. I think it's a really great outfit to wear. Anyway, it matches especially the khaki pants. I mean, I said before, like, I don't really want to wear all khaki everything, but I don't know, this one, it's sort of like, it's not a khaki, it's more like a light brown. I think it's, I don't know, it's got a different vibe that I'm really riding with. So, or compared to that other one, maybe it's a fleece, the khaki fleece that I wasn't really feeling, but this one looks great. This is a really interesting piece. I don't know what to say about it because it's sort of like, I don't know, it looks like a dress almost to me. I mean, I know it's like a wrap that goes around like your waist and it goes down to around like your knee area. I'm still trying to figure out what's the point of it. It looks like, yeah, it looks like it'll keep that area like warmer. Like that's what I really think about it. When I first saw it, I was like, "Ooh, what the heck is that? What does that do?" I thought it was more like a trench coat thing at first that goes, and this lady put her the t-shirt on top of it or something like that. That's what I first thought. But then I was like, it looks more like a, yeah, it's like a kilt almost, like a Scottish, like, oh, not a kilt, but you know what I'm saying. It's like a dress that goes around that area, the part of your legs, and I don't know. I think it's probably, yeah, if you're by the campfire, that part of your legs gets cold because it's a little bit further from the fire, I guess. You want to keep it warm, and it's got a pocket there to put your snacks or something. I don't know. I really don't know these like the purpose of this actual like piece. If you know, please leave me in the comments below, like what it does, and would you get it? Is it more of a girl thing than a guy thing? I'm not sure. Please elaborate. Please enlighten me. But anyway, I wanted to talk about her t-shirt because it is cool. It's like a really retro one, especially with the wizard there. I think going with the whole Wizard Island thing, theme thing, looks great. And as you can see there, once again, she's got the stone, the wizard stone. And it looks great. I don't know if they're actually going to release that, but I think it looks cool either way. And yeah, it looks great. And as you can see, the guy's wearing it too. He's wearing the shroud, or I don't even know what's that called, man. It's like a, to me, like I would probably use that as like a little picnic rug that you could put like food on or something on the floor. I don't know. It's just weird. Well, to me anyway. I just want to know, like, maybe if its real purpose was like you know, revealed to me, maybe I'll be like, oh yeah, that actually makes sense, kind of thing. But I'm still bewildered. Please let me know what that does. These are pretty much it. So I know, I don't know, if you guys been working from home, basically all my socks, man, have been like, I don't know if I walk hard or something, or maybe it's because I'm so heavy that I get holes in my socks, like just working from home, like walking around. So I need some pretty good, decent like socks that I can wear when I go out hiking and stuff. And I'm really interested in getting this one. These look dope, especially because they have Nike ACG. $25, not bad. They also have orange one there available. So I might, when they release, I might get it so that it matches my Nike Mountain Fly highs and even the lows. Another thing that I really want to get is this long sleeve. Yeah, mainly because it will match my new purchase of the Nike mounted fly lows in the fossil colorway. That is probably why I get it, because I don't have a lot of brown colored clothing, and I think this will be something I would wear even without the Nike mounted fly lows. I might have something else that could actually match this, so that's why I really like it. And I really like long sleeve tees over just the normal tees, especially while I'm hiking, because I don't know, I just like to cover like more of my body more, so because I have a really bad like t-shirt tan and I need to kind of try to get rid of it, so wearing this helps that. Also, as I think I might have mentioned before, that I do really want to get a new backpack, and there's all these different colors. This one's on sale actually, but I can't really wear that one because the colors are too different. This was initially my first one that I was gonna get, so it matches my fossil MFLs, mounted fly lows, yeah, mounted fly lows. But then I was like thinking, if I don't wear my mounted fly lows, I probably won't wear this backpack anymore. So I'm gonna go and get the black one once it's available. And of course, the last thing I'm gonna get is obviously this. This is the one that I want the most. I know that there's an all black colorway as well, but man, I'm really against wearing all black sneakers. Not because of the whole like I don't know if you guys know about the Nike Air Force One thing. If you wear all black, that kind of negative connotation with it, and it's nothing regarding that. It's just that I like flashy sneakers, and the more color that they have, or the closer they are to the white color, that is the one that I will be getting. And this one, yeah, it looks fantastic. What you probably notice as well is with the Nike mounted fly highs, it's got the gore-tex coverage, but for the actual Nike mounted fly low, they got rid of that gore-tex covering, revealing just the bottom, like the underlaying layer basically. And you can see that there, it's like the lacing system is more manual compared to the drawstring that you have on the highs. This one, it doesn't, because what I noticed with the highs, it goes behind, the drawstring goes behind the actual heel, where this one, you'll have to tie it behind your heel to get that same kind of drawstring, like, you know, security kind of thing. But what's really cool about it as well is that you can see that on one side it's got the brown, and on the other side of the upper it's got the black, so it looks almost like two different shoes depending on the way that you look about it. So I'm really psyched about this one. I really want to get it. So it's 250 Australian dollars. I do think it's still worth it because of the Nike React cushioning that's going into the sneaker. Fantastic Vaporfly plate, I think a fly plate or whatever it's called, for that kind of rigidness for it as well. So depending on what you're stepping on, and also it's also got that really sticky rubber that I think is fantastic for grip when you're out in the outdoors. Anyway guys, let me know which pieces that you are thinking about getting, like that's automatic, you know. I showed you guys some of the stuff that I will be getting. Not all of it's like clothing and like the kind of stuff that like the crews or the hoodies and all that kind of stuff, because I think I have enough. I just want enough to kind of match the ones that I'll be getting, the new stuff. And those stuff that I will be getting, I will be able to continue to wear them whatever collection comes in next, kind of thing. So those are the stuff that I will be getting. Please let me know all like what you think, what your thoughts are of the actual new collection. I would really love to connect with you guys. Shout out to all the guys who have been messaging me about Nike ACG stuff. Oh man, it's so freaking awesome. I think Yowza, Kevin, James, all you dudes, Ian Redding, shout out to you guys. Thanks for keeping me entertained, even though sometimes you guys message me like really late at night. It's like 1 a.m. because it's like 1 a.m. here, but in the States or in that part of the world, it's still like, you know, it's like 8 a.m. or something. But it's all good. I love chatting to you guys, and yeah, thanks for keeping me company and all that kind of stuff. Anyway guys, so thank you once again for watching this video. If you liked it and if you stayed this long, you are a real one. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the support that you give me. Please give me that big thumbs up. You know, please consider subscribing to the channel and all that good stuff, and leaving those comments, because if you do that, it helps the algorithm to promote my videos to other people that like ACG stuff. So all that little stuff, all those little things helps a long way in terms of you know, helping me build this channel. So thank you once again. Anyway guys, thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.